Hi students, 12th problem. The adjoining diagram shows two cross paths drawn inside a rectangular field 45 meters long and 38 meters wide. One parallel to length and the other parallel to breadth. The width of each path is 4 meters. Find the cost of graveling the path at rupees 5 rupees 60 pice per meter square, because cost now it will be in rupees. Now A, B, C, D is a rectangular field. In this field there are two paths. One is horizontal direction, one is vertical direction. These are cross paths, they are crossing each other. The horizontal length of the path is 45 meters and the vertical path is 38 meters and the width of the path is 4 meters. So 4 meters. Now solution given. Length of horizontal path. What is the length? 45 meters. Width or breadth? Width or breadth also we can tell. Of the path is equal to 4 meters. Now area of the horizontal path is equal to, it is in rectangle shape, so length into breadth or length into width. 45 into 4 meters square. 5 4s are 20, 2, 16, 7, 18, 180 meters square. Now next, length of vertical path. What is the length? 38 meters. Same width. Width is not changing, uniform. Width or breadth of vertical path. 4 meters. Now find area. Now area of the vertical path is equal to length into breadth. Length is 38 meters and width is same, 4. 38 into 4 meters square. 4 8s are 32, 3 remaining, 12, 13, 14, 15. 152 meters square. Now we got area of two paths. Horizontal we got, vertical also we got. Now area of two paths. Add. First one, how much we got? First path 180 meters square. Now second one we got 152 meters square. 0 plus 2 is 2. 13, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now area of two cross paths. Area of two cross paths is equal to area of two paths minus common area. Can you see common area? This is called common area. Intersecting. That also we have to find. That is equal to 332. The common area is in square shape. Area of this is area 4 into 4. Width 4, breadth 4. This is square. 4 into 4 meter square. So 332 minus 4 fours are 16 meter square. Subtract 332 minus 16. Here 2, 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 1. Here 3. Answer is 316 meter square. Now, cost of graveling the paths at rupees 5 rupees 60 pice per meter square. So, total cost now. Total cost of graveling the paths is equal to 316 into 5.06. That is equal to multiply 316 into 5.6. 6 6 are 36. 6 here 9. 18. 30. 0 3. 8. 15. Now add 6, 9, 16, 7, 1. Decimal after one digit. So how much we got means rupees 1769.60 pice. What is this one? Therefore, the cost of graveling the paths is equal to rupees 1769.60 pice. Now 15th problem. If the length of a rectangle is increased by 10 centimeters and the breadth decreased by 5 centimeters, the area remains unchanged. If the length is decreased by 5 centimeters and the breadth is increased by 4 centimeters, even then the area remains unchanged. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. We have to find dimensions means length and breadth of a rectangle. Solution given. Let the original length of a rectangle be, we don't know, no? X meters, X centimeters, and breadth of original rectangle, and the breadth of original rectangle be y centimeters, because length and breadth will not be equal in a rectangle. We know already this one. Now find area. Area of the original rectangle. Formula: length into breadth, that is equal to x into y centimeter square, xy centimeter square. This is the area of the rectangle what they gave, original rectangle. Now here length and breadth are, there is a variation, changes. Then also after change also there is no change in area. The area will be same area remains constant. Now here starting, the length of the rectangle is increased by 10. So length of the rectangle increased increased by 10 centimeters. By 10 centimeters means x plus 10 centimeters. Next one is what? The breadth is decreased by 5 centimeters. Breadth of the rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle decreased by, before increased, now decreased. Decreased by how much? By decreased by 5 centimeters. That is equal to, decrease means minus, y minus 5 centimeters. Are you able to follow? Now we have to find area. Let's find area. Now, area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. When after changing the dimensions, length into breadth. Length we got x plus 10 into, if you want to write keep into, or if you don't want, no problem. Bracket indicates only multiplication. So if you are writing or not writing also, no problem. L into b you can write, or is equal to LB also you can write. X plus 10 into y minus 5. Now multiply. X into y, xy minus 5x plus 10y plus into minus minus 50. So this is the area of the rectangle after changing the dimensions. Now we will compare what they told. The area is remains unchanged. Area of the rectangle after changing dimensions. After changing dimensions remains unchanged. This word given in the problem. So we can compare the original area with this change with them. So I am comparing. XY is original rectangle, and just now we got xy minus 5x plus 10y minus 50. Both get cancelled. Bring this side. Minus becomes plus from right to left. Plus becomes minus. And keep minus 50 here only. On the whole, 5 table is common. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Next, 5 goes 10 times, minus 10. Think this as number 1. Okay. Now next, there again they are telling. What they are telling? If the length is decreased by 5. Now, length of the rectangle decreased by 5 centimeters. Decreased by 5 centimeters. This time length is decreased. X minus 5 centimeters. Here centimeter square. Now breadth. Breadth of the rectangle is increased by 4 centimeters. Breadth of the rectangle increased, before quite opposite, by 4 centimeters. Increase means what? Addition. Y plus 4 centimeters. Find area. Area is equal to L into B. Area of a rectangle formula. Now, area of a rectangle after changing the dimensions, this time length decreased, area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. How much? X minus 5 into y plus 4 centimeter square. X into xy plus into plus 4x minus 5y minus 20 centimeter square. Now, area of the rectangle area of the rectangle remains unchanged after changing dimensions. So unchanged. Now I am comparing with original. XY is original. After changing we got XY plus 4x minus 5y minus 20. XY get cancelled. Now bring minus 20 this side. So 4x minus 5y is equal to 20. Able to follow? Here there is no common table. Think this as number 2. Now equating 1 and 2. Equating equation 1 and 2. What is equation 1? What is the equation number 1? X minus 2y is equal to minus 10. 4x minus 5y is equal to 20. Now, first equation I am multiplying with 4. This first equation, this is second equation, multiplying with 4. 4x minus 8y is equal to minus 40. 4x minus 5y is equal to 20. I want to subtract because signs are same. Subtracting minus plus minus both get cancelled. Minus 3y is equal to minus 60. Minus minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 60 by 3 goes 20 times. So y is equal to 20. Now substitute in any one equation, either 1 or 2. Now substituting y is equal to 20 in equation 1. X minus 2y is equal to minus 10. X minus 2 into 20 is equal to minus 10. X minus 40 is equal to 10. So minus 10. X is equal to minus 10 plus 40. 40 minus 10 is 30. So 30 to 30. What we thought x? We thought length is equal to length of the rectangle. Length of the, therefore the dimensions of the rectangle are. They told to find the dimensions now. Now we got. Therefore the dimensions of a rectangle are length we thought as x 30 centimeters. Now breadth we thought as y 20 centimeters. These are the dimensions of a given rectangle. 17th problem. A rectangular courtyard 3.78 meters long and 5.25 meters broad is to be paved exactly with square tiles of the same size. One thing, it should be square tiles, same size, not different sizes. Next, paved exactly, paved means flooring with, the floor is covered with the tiles. Flooring with the tiles. This is the meaning. What is the largest size of such a tile? We have to take the largest size. Sizes are there in that largest. The word largest. Also find the number of tiles. Means how many tiles are required we have to find. For that what? rectangular courtyard. So, solution, length of the rectangular courtyard is equal to 3.78 meters. Convert into centimeters into 100. If you do, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. With 100, if you multiply, decimal will not be there. The two decimal will move towards 2 digits front. So 378 centimeters. This is all known. Next, breadth of the rectangular courtyard. How much they gave? 5.25 meters. This also change it to centimeters. 525 centimeters. Now find area. Area of the rectangular, because with this only we are going to frame formula. Rectangular courtyard, that is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 378 into 525 centimeter square. Multiply. When you multiply, how much you will get means 1 lakh. Now we got side of a tile we got. How much we got? As 21 centimeters. Side of a square tile. Write that word. Square tile. Side of a square tile, because shape is in square. Area of the square tile. What is the formula for area? Side into side, or a square. 21 into 21 centimeter square. 21 441 centimeter square. Now, one tile is going to occupy this much place, 441 centimeter square. Like this, we have to find number of tiles. Number of tiles needed for the rectangular courtyard. Number of tiles needed for the rectangular courtyard to pave, for flooring otherwise. Now we got the area of the courtyard by area of the tiles. Area of the tile, that is equal to area of the tile. 1,98,450 we got now, by 441. Divide. When you divide, you will get 450 will come. Then you simplify. So how many tiles means? Therefore, number of tiles required is equal to 450. They asked that one only. Find the number of tiles. Therefore, the number of tiles. They told to find the largest. Largest is 21 centimeters. And number of tiles required is 450. How to find HCF of 378 and 525. I will explain. 378 divided by 528. One time. 370. Here 5. Here 8. Now here 15. Here 1 will be there. 7. Here again borrow. Here 4. 1. 11 minus 7 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Again 378. Try for 2 times. 14. 1. 8. 9. Here 2. Here 4. Borrow 17. Here 8. Here 2. Here 2 will be there. 2 minus 2 0. 147. One time. Because 2 times means more. 84. One time. Here 3 will come. 7 minus 4 is 3. From 14 if you take 6. 84. One time. 63. 21. Again 63. 3 times. 63. Until you get 0 you have to do. Therefore, the HCF of 378 and 525 is 21. Who don't know to do HCF, please follow this one. By this time you should be thorough with HCF, but once again I explained how to do HCF in the problem. 21st problem. The area of a square field is 8 hectares. How long would a man take to cross it diagonally by walking at the rate of 4 kilometers per hour? Square field. Square means all sides are equal. Now diagonal. This is the diagonal. ABCD is a square field. AC is the diagonal. And they have given this area. This area they have given how much? 8 hectares. Area of the field. This shaded part is area. How much they have given? 8 hectares. Solution. Given area of a square field is equal to 8 hectares. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. So now 8 hectares means 8 into 10,000 meters square. That is 80,000 meters square. Are you able to follow? Now find side of a square field. What is the formula for side of a square field? Square root of area. That is equal to square root of 80,000. Now listen carefully. For 2 zeros, 1 0 will come outside. For 2 more zeros, for square root of 8, 2 goes 4 times, 2 goes 2 times. So for 2 2's, 1 2 you write, and 1 more 2 will be in root only. So 2 root 2 into 100. Because 2 zeros now 100. Write clearly. 2 root 2 into 100. Write clearly. Still if you want to write, this is meters. 200 root 2, 200 root 2 meters. What is this one? Side of a square field. Side we got now. Now we got side of a square field. How much we got? 200 root 2 meters. Convert into kilometers. So A is equal to 200 root 2 by 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. 2 zeros get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So A is equal to root 2 by 5 kilometers. Are you able to follow? Now find the diagonal. Diagonal of the square field. What is the diagonal of the square field there? AC. If you want to draw, you can draw BC also, BD also. AC, that is equal to root 2 into A. A means side of the square field. So root 2 into root 2 by 5. That is equal to root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 by 5 kilometers. Now they have given, this is indirectly, diagonal means distance we can tell. Distance also you can write, no problem. Now they have given speed of walking by the man. How much they gave? 4 kilometers per hour. Now distance is in here, speed is there. Time, we have to find time. Distance by speed. Distance how much? 2 by 5 by 4. That is equal to 2 by 5 into 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 1 by 10. That is equal to 0.1 hour. 0.1 hour, or otherwise we will change into 1 by 10 hours. 1 by 10 into 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 0 0 get cancelled. 6 minutes is the answer. 6 minutes. So here distance formula you have to learn and by heart. Now what they ask, how long would a man take means to cross? He takes 6 minutes to walk from A to C. Write the conclusion. 6 minutes. 22nd problem. Find the area and perimeter of a square plot of land whose diagonal is 15 meters. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Square, they have given diagonal. Through diagonal we have to find area and perimeter. So this is the diagonal given. How much means? 15 meters. A, B, C, D is a square. Diagonal they have given 15 meters. Solution given. Diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square plot. Square plot of land is equal to 15 meters. We know the formula. Diagonal of a square formula. Diagonal of a square plot of land is equal to root 2 into A. Now both are diagonals we are comparing. Root 2 into A is equal to 15 meters here. Meters. Now A is equal to 15 by root 2 meters. Now they are asking to find area. Area of a square plot of land is equal to A square formula, that is equal to 15 by root 2 whole square. 15 15s 225. Root 2 into root 2 2 cancel. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 times. So 112.5 meter square area. Now find perimeter. Perimeter of a square plot of land. What is the formula? Perimeter 4 into A. 4 into 15 root 2. That is equal to 60 by root 2 meters. This is perimeter now, meters. Now we got area of the square plot of land. How much we got means 112.50 meters per day, 2 decimal places. Therefore, next perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of a square plot of land. How much we got? 60 by root 2 meters. We want to change into decimal. Denominator is in irrational. Make it rational. The rationalizing factor is root 2. Multiply numerator and denominator with root 2. 60 root 2 by root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 goes 30 times. How much we got means 30 root 2. We know the value. Meters. We know the value. 30 into root 2 value is 1.732 meters. Now, 0 is there. Decimal moves. Sorry, root 2 value. I wrote root 3 value. They ask root 2. Root 2 value is 1.414. This is the value of root 2. That is root 3. 0 is there, so decimal will move. 3 into 14.14 meters. Multiply. 4 3s are 12. 1 remaining. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. 3 4s are 12. 1 remaining. 3 1 is 3, 4. 42.43 meters. They asked to find up to 2 decimal places. We got 2 decimal places. In area we got. In perimeter also we got. This is the way of solving an irrational into rational and changing into decimal. This is the answer.